Financial freedom sounds good, right? Like a dream, but it's not just a dream, it's a plan. Like a treasure map, you need the right directions. That's where financial planning comes in. It's your roadmap to financial security. Without it, you're lost. No direction, no control. Financial planning gives you power. Power over your money, your life. This essay will teach you how to set smart goals. This is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. You'll learn how to set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With these tools, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Let's get started. Smart goals are your financial compass. They guide you towards your destination, financial freedom. Each element of the SMART acronym is essential for success. Let's break it down. Specific, your goals must be clear and well-defined. No more vague aspirations. Measurable, you need to track your progress. How else will you know you're winning? Achievable, your goals should be realistic and attainable. Don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant, your goals must align with your values and priorities. What's important to you? Time-bound, set deadlines to create urgency and accountability. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. By following the SMART framework, you create a roadmap for success. Each goal becomes a stepping stone on your path to financial freedom. Imagine you're going on a trip. You wouldn't just tell the taxi driver, "Take me somewhere nice." You'd give them a specific address. The same goes for your financial goals. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," get specific. How much money do you want to save? What are you saving for? A down payment on a house? Early retirement? A specific goal might be, "I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 3 years." See the difference? It's clear, concise, and leaves no room for confusion. By being specific, you give yourself a clear target to aim for. This makes it much easier to stay motivated and on track. You've set a specific goal. Now what? You need to track your progress. How else will you know if you're on track to reach your destination? Think of it like a road trip. You wouldn't just start driving without checking the map or the mileage. You'd want to know how far you've come and how much further you need to go. The same principle applies to your financial goals. Break down your goals into smaller milestones. For example, if you're saving $20,000 in 3 years, that's about $555 per month. Track your savings every month and celebrate your progress. By measuring your progress, you stay motivated and make adjustments along the way. It's like having a financial GPS guiding you towards your destination. Achievable, set realistic milestones. Setting ambitious goals is great, but don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic expectations. Your goals should be challenging yet attainable. It's like training for a marathon. You wouldn't expect to run 26.2 miles on your first day of training, would you? Instead, you'd start with shorter distances and gradually increase your mileage over time. The same goes for your financial goals. If you're currently living paycheck to paycheck, it's unrealistic to expect to save $10,000 in the next 3 months. Start with a smaller, more achievable goal, like saving $500 per month. By setting realistic milestones, you build momentum and confidence. Each small victory brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Relevant, align with your values. Your financial goals should be meaningful to you. They should align with your values and priorities. So, what's important to you? What do you want to achieve in life? If you're passionate about traveling the world, your financial goals should reflect that. You might set a goal to save for a dream trip or to create a passive income stream that allows you to travel more. On the other hand, if you're more family-oriented, your goals might center around buying a bigger house, saving for your children's education, or retiring early to spend more time with loved ones. By aligning your financial goals with your values, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed to achieving them. Time-bound, create a sense of urgency. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. To turn your financial dreams into reality, you need to set deadlines. This creates a sense of urgency and accountability. Remember that goal of saving $20,000 for a down payment on a house? Adding a time frame, like 3 years, makes it more concrete. It gives you a deadline to work towards. Deadlines also help you prioritize your spending and saving habits. Knowing you have a limited time to achieve your goal can motivate you to cut back on unnecessary expenses and save more aggressively. By setting time-bound goals, you create a clear roadmap for your financial future. Each deadline becomes a milestone on your journey to financial freedom. Real-life examples, from dreams to reality. Let's bring the SMART framework to life with some real-life examples. Vague goal, I want to get out of debt. SMART goal, I will pay off my $5,000 credit card debt within 12 months by making monthly payments of $450. Vague goal, I want to retire early. SMART goal, I will retire at age 55 by saving $1 million in my retirement account and generating $5,000 per month in passive income. Vague goal, I want to buy a new car. SMART goal, I will save $10,000 for a down payment on a new car within 2 years by setting aside $100 per week. These examples illustrate how the SMART framework can transform vague aspirations into concrete, achievable goals. Actionable advice. Taking charge of your financial future. Now that you understand the power of SMART goals, it's time to take action. Here's some practical advice to get you started. 1. Write down your goals. Don't just keep them in your head. Write them down to make them more tangible and real. 2. Break down your goals. Divide your long-term goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This makes them less daunting and easier to achieve. 3. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can save more money. 4. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures you're consistently working towards your goals. 5. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to get personalized guidance and support. Remember, financial planning is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps in the road, but by setting SMART goals and staying committed, you can achieve your financial dreams. Conclusion. Embracing the journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom is not a pipe dream, it's a choice. By embracing the principles of financial planning and setting SMART goals, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today by setting your first SMART financial goal. No matter how small, it's a step in the right direction as you progress on your financial journey. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, one SMART goal at a time. The path to financial freedom awaits. Are you ready to take the first step?